guys, so today I'll play about scary teachers. It's a Mass TV horror show. Here we go.
This will always be my favorite show.
I can't believe the ladder.
This will always be my favorite show.
Oh, there we go. Use the crowbar to open. No.
Ah, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so jealous.
Must be in the bonus. Nothing. Crowbar.
Ah, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so jealous.
Alright, drop the ladder. Can be a fun. Hooray! Alright. There we go. Up. Use the crowbar to fix the final crowbar.
Ah, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so jealous.
Crowbar. Finally, use the crowbar. Run the TV to cut this wire tool. Find this hammer. Crowbar.
Ah, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so.
Oh my god. Ow! Jelly, Sally, Jelly. See you next time.